What's up YouTube? Today I have a few tips on how to avoid drywall repairs during your reno, plus tile leveling material that will make your finished bathroom look like you spent thousands.
My name's James and welcome to our second YouTube episode where we're going to do this in about approximately 5 days. Given 5 days, we're going to take that bathroom for what you see now to this. And this, and we're going to top it off with shower doors that look like this.
Now, we completed this reno without picking up a single paintbrush. Keep watching and I'll tell you how. So I want you to stay tuned, grab a pen and paper, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you know someone who's going to need help or advice with this reno. Okay, Chris and I are starting with the vanity because one, it's the easiest, and once it's out of the way, we can move around. Now, cutting out the fiberglass shower was tough. I mean, it was almost as if they set the shower and built the house around it. But after a tug-of-war match with it, we won.
Alright, fiberglass shower has been cut out. And now the cement boards are going up. Take a look at the plumbing. And shower pan is in. Okay. This is going to bring us to tip number 1. FRP. That white paneling that you see right there is actually fiberglass reinforced paneling. That's right. Use that as an alternative to paint. It's water and moisture resistant. Also, it's antimicrobial, and it can be applied with glue. So it's definitely an easy setup. Use caulk in the seams to give it a nice clean finish, and that stuff will last you forever.
You know, if you're watching this video, I want you to understand that it does not cost a lot, not as much as you may think. I mean, any DIYer with the money to purchase the materials, a little bit of elbow grease, and the advice of another contractor, you'd be surprised on how far this will go if you just put a little bit of effort behind it.
Look closely at the yellow tabs that are sitting on top of the tile. That's the leveling system. Those have to be installed while the tiles are going up. Now, if done right, your tiles will reflect a certain craftsmanship that others don't. Which leads me to tip number 2. Use the leveling system to keep your tiles in line, square, and flat. Okay, now that you had this information, do not let any old school contractor or new DIYer get away without doing this. Okay guys, come with me for a second. I want to introduce you to someone. That guy right there is a good friend of mine. That's Steve-O. This is his ratchet bathroom. No problem. We're going to make it right for him and give him something that's going to last a lifetime. Okay, we got a, hang on. Sorry guys. Shaky cam alert. Okay, now that that's over. We're at tip number 3. We use rubber gloves to apply grout. This allows us to fill in all the gaps easily, and it cuts down on installation time. I don't know, but it's something about using your bare hands to rub it into the seams. It gets in better. This is just my method, in my opinion. But we also use a float to follow up with. And when we're done, it will look something like this. Alright, now we got the vanity set. We've also finished with the floor tiles, and the toilet is installed. FRP is up. And now, let's get to our tip summary. Number 1, try using FRP to avoid most drywall repair. It's easy to clean, and this stuff will last forever. Tip number 2. If you want straight grout lines and even tiles, a leveling system is a must. Don't let the contractor get away without doing it. Number 3, we use rubber gloves to apply grout in addition to a float. Hey, hands are better. That's just my opinion. Okay, now as you can see, this is the before. Whew. And now this is this. Yeah. Okay, now we got the shower door.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Back up. Alright. Guys, my name is... Okay, I'm James McNair. This is the... Come on, man. Come on, man. See, I can't even be serious around here. It's hard.